Hello, I'm trying to take out this water bypass valve, and I'll show you where it's located on the 2019 and up Rav4s. It's right behind the engine here on the driver's side corner. This is it right here. It has two heater hoses connecting to it and one electronic connector. First step will be taking the electronic connector off. And the next steps will be to take these heater hoses off. And I end up trying to take out these bolts first with one hand holding the camera and stuff. It was pretty difficult. I gave it a couple tries. This is my first time trying to film it, so it is a struggle. But eventually I get it off. And now these clips holding the heater hoses on, there's a little tab on the front. I was trying to pull it off from the back. It's easier to get something thin, flat in the front there and pry it off than it is to do what I'm doing with the back here. But once you get it off, the next part will be taking these hoses apart, which there's coolant inside, so I put down a shop towel to catch some of the coolant. And then when you have it off, the coolant's gonna start leaking out. So I tried to soak some up here, but you might as well have like a drip pan underneath to catch most of it.